I recorded these affirmations in the first person using I and my. I did that intentionally because as you listen to these each and every day, I want you to put yourself into each affirmation, that you are reading it, not that I'm reading it to you, and not that it's direction from me. I hope you get the most out of these affirmations. If you will put positive things into your mind on a daily basis, multiple times during the day, you can control all of your thoughts, all of the things that go on in your life. Now, there are external things that are going to happen to you that you have no control over, but you have control over how you react to them and how you take that information in and leverage it into achieving the goals that you want to achieve. So my goal for reading you and giving you these affirmations is that you will take control of your own thought process and your own thought mind and win the battlefield of the brain. Thanks so much for listening. I appreciate your attention. Take care.